Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. My friends are out on a kindness mission, so I'm keeping myself busy until they get back. As I've been setting up these dominoes, I've been thinking about how kindness has a domino effect. It starts like these dominoes all lined up in a row, but if I push the first domino down, it sets off a chain reaction and all of the rest fall down. Acts of kindness are kind of like that, you know? Wait, you don't know? Oh, well, then let's cook up a lesson on kindness and the domino effect. It's interesting. The more kindness you receive, the more kindness you have to give. And every time you do an act of kindness, you inspire others to spread kindness, often without even realizing it. The kindness might begin with something simple, like letting someone go first in a game. And that person might pass the kindness along by complimenting someone else's athletic ability. And that person passes along the kindness with a friendly greeting to a classmate online. And the kindness keeps going.
And going, and going, and going, and going.
This is called a domino effect. As the kindness spreads, it makes everyone feel good. Scientists have discovered that when you are kind to another person, the pleasure and reward center of your brain lights up. It makes both the giver and the receiver of the kind act feel happy, and it inspires them to spread the happiness to others. Take a minute to think about a time when someone was kind to you. How did you feel?
I feel happy.
I feel confident.
I feel grateful. I feel cared about and excited to spread kindness to others.
I guess you could say that kindness is contagious in the best possible way. And here's something else. Kindness lives for a long time inside people's memories, and the joy that they feel when they give or receive kindness, that can last for hours or days or even longer. Well, what are you waiting for? Commit to one small act of kindness today. You might just start a domino effect. Let's see if we can use the power of kindness to change our school, our community, and our world. And I'll see you next time.